Hey, it's David here, the founder and CEO of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Let's talk today about wealth building and financial freedom. I would say to any of you who are listening today that wealth building and ultimate financial freedom, which gives you freedom in all respects of life, is a thinking man or woman's game and not a running man or woman's game. Let's take that back again. It's thinking versus running. Yet, what are we told to do in life? Go to school, get the education, get the technical expertise, the licenses, degrees, whatever it takes to get into the job, the business, the career, the business, the practice, whatever it may be, because we want to go out and run and make the money that we now are entitled to make because, well, we have skill sets, we have an education. Nothing wrong with that. But that running on the treadmill, I just call it the treadmill because it is. Run. You pay taxes at effectively higher and higher marginal tax rates. It's harder and harder to keep money. And then the key point is what money you keep and save after taxes and overhead and lifestyle burn rate. What do you do with that money is one of the keys to getting you to financial freedom. Making more money isn't going to do it. Yes, you got to make money, but making that money work for you. It's not a running man's game. Taking the time to understand how money works and getting that money that you have saved working for you is the key. Way too many people do the running man's game and then abdicate, push off to somebody else, a financial advisor, money manager, 401k, the actual working of the money. Big mistake, huge mistake. But what do they tell us? It's too complicated. You need to do what you do, the running man's game, and let us take care of your money. Big mistake. You can learn to do this. You don't need an MBA or a PhD in finance or real estate or investment philosophy. You don't need it. There are fast tracks to get this done and understand how to do it. And really the key thing is all things in life. It's more about relationships. That's where the thinking comes in. Collaborating, finding the right people, building those relationships where you have access points to off-market investment opportunities. See, if you're out there on the retail space, which is Wall Street typically, or even retail and real estate, you're not going to find those opportunities. You're going to be playing the retail game of the mark. The Vegas mark. You are the mark. It's your money being put out there and everybody else leverages off of you. You don't want to play that game, but it takes relationships. It takes time. It takes thinking. So again, I go back to my main premise. Wealth building, financial freedom, freedom in your life is not a running man or woman's game. So stop that when you think about your freedom. It's thinking, taking time to build relationships. That's what we do in Freedom Founders, except we make that speed to access. It's my relationships built over 40 years that I leverage and allow other people to leverage. You can do it the long way, the hard way, if you've got 30 or 40 years to do it. But if you're like most of us, you relish your time more than anything and you want to buy that time back today. How are you going to do that? You need a plan, you need access points, you need relationships. It's up to you. Remember, stay focused on your freedom. That's what it's about, first and foremost.